Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. I wanted to show you my Pyrenees Sabre. Me and Bobby bought these little throw rugs, the little fuzzy rugs, and she loves laying on them. But everything I do, folks, she follows me from room to room. And sometimes when she wants me to walk slow, she'll get in front of me. Hi, Queen. Hi, Queen. Did you have a good day today?
Yeah, I couldn't get a hold of you.
Well, it might have been because the phone was in the
Here.
bedroom.
Pick that up for her. Home Depot.
Oh, look, folks. What is that?
It's a cat.
It looks like a fox.
Well, it might be a fox.
I think it's a fox.
Here, put it over her. Set it over her somewhere.
Look at that. My husband called this fox a cat.
Honey,
There's Sabre. Huh?
is that what you want?
Yes. Yep, that'll come in handy. My husband's been shopping. He had to go to the doctor today.
Yeah. Move.
Sabre's feeling a lot better now. She went to the doctor. We had to wind up taking her back to the doctor because she was real sick still. She watches me and my husband both. Sometimes we have to get her out of the way. But she'll get in front of me when I'm walking, folks. And stand there like she's trying to make me slow down when I walk. And you just have to take your knee and push on her and she'll go on, but she'll block you the whole way you're walking. And I think the reason she does that's because she don't want us to fall. She probably knows we're a little bit older now and that we have to take it easy when we walk. But as you can see, she's up moving around now. She laid around for a few days. There's Buddy Boy, our collie. That chicken feeds for my chickens, folks. We got them those two big rugs in there for the front room for winter time. Our cat sleeps up there on that in that windowsill because she doesn't like being around the dogs. The dogs are probably getting ready to go outside. Buddy hound dog, it's hot. He's hound dog whenever Bobby comes home. He's being voiceful, folks, saying hello and hope you're having a good day. Look how much bigger Sabre is than him, folks. I'm gonna have to let him out. Well, thank you for joining my YouTube channel. Have a good day and a blessed day too. You got this, folks. You're awesome. Bye.